Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TaxSlayer for 1099 and W-2 import workflow, full guide step by step clearly. To install TaxSlayer for 1099 and W-2 import workflow, start by visiting the official TaxSlayer website. Look for the download section on the home page. Select the version of TaxSlayer that suits your needs. Click on the download link for the chosen version. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. Double-click the file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate installation. Read and accept the license agreement to proceed. Choose the installation directory or leave it as default. Click on the Install button to start the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation is finished, click Finish to exit the setup. Now, open TaxSlayer by locating the application on your desktop or in the Start menu. Upon opening, you will be prompted to create a new account or log in. If you are a new user, select the option to create an account. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and password. Confirm your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log into your account once your email is verified. To import 1099 and W-2 forms, navigate to the Import section within the application. Select Import from 1099 or Import from W-2 based on your needs. Follow the prompts to upload your tax documents. Ensure all information is accurate after importing. Make any necessary corrections before proceeding. Finally, save your work and review your tax return thoroughly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.